Hey everyone, it's Landon from Zero Grid. Just thought I'd jump on here to show you the off-grid drawings that we offer and what they're all about. This is Zero Grid, so they found here off-grid wiring diagrams, and you can select with, generally what they're for. Let's just go caravan, and sometimes when there's only one option, it'll only have one option, but let's go DC to DC charging, which they both do. And say you pick one of these, it'll tell you the bits and pieces that's included in the wiring diagram, and then you can work out if it's the one that suits you, add to cart, go through to cart, and then you'll receive an email. And in that email you'll get a drawing, something similar to this. So this is the one with the inverter, DC-DC charger, solar charger, lithium batteries and solar panels. So what I've done is trying to explain the best way I can using the parts that I love, these fuse boxes and the different shunts and that type of stuff. So we've got some little notes just in relation to lithium batteries, some requirements for solar charge sizes, and so basically it'll have like these cables, for instance, and then they'll be in this chart down here. So that'll be where it is, cable B. So for that size DC to DC charger, it'll be that size cable. So it's basically just a rundown with how it all goes together. And the most important thing that I find with these type of systems is cable sizing and fusing. So that's pretty crucial part to get right. But if you've got any questions, just reach out. You can book a call on Zero Grid and we can have a chat on the phone. If you've got any questions or queries, or flick us an email or whatever you fancy. But otherwise, good luck with building your system. Cheers, guys.